Welcome to Living with Luminara. I'm your host, Ashley. Today we're going to be talking about redoing your home with a beautiful coastal feel. We're going to be talking about beautiful colors like teal and chambray, also bringing in natural elements into your home, such as driftwood, linen, and seashells to really fresh up that space and give it that coastal vibe. So let's jump right in. Summer is all about that light and breezy feeling, so we're drawing our inspiration from the coast. Think soft teals like the color of sea glass, chambray like your favorite faded denim t-shirt. I love pulling inspiration from nature, and what's more calming than the sea? All right, let's break it down. I'm going to give you 3 tips on how you can incorporate coastal into your home. The first tip I'm going to offer you is fabric. How you can take fabrics and bring that coastal feel into your home. First, let's layer on our textiles. Swap out those heavy wool textures you had from the holiday season and lighten it up with some cotton and linen and textures. You can grab a beautiful linen table runner and put it on your dining table or your side table. That really helps freshen up the look and bring that light coastal vibe to your home. You can even do something very simple like add a chambray table runner. That also helps spice things up into your home as well. Take that heavy throw that you had on your couch and freshen it up with something fresher and a lighter as well, like a cotton throw for your couch as well. That's the first tip I have. Let's go on to the second. The second tip will be natural textures equal instant beach. Adding natural elements to your home like shells and driftwood really helps bring that coastal vibe to your home and freshen up your look. So bring those natural texture into your home like driftwood, rope, baskets, or even just a beautiful jar full of shells can help really lighten that look into your home and bring that beachy vibe to your home. All right, let's go to the third tip. The third tip is lighten up the look. You see here, I have this beautiful candle on my table here to really lighten up that look. This is my favorite tip I have to offer is light. A few candles can totally transform your room on a budget. Candlelight at sunset, yes, it softens up the full vibe of your home and really brings in that beautiful soft glow to help lighten up your room and give you that coastal look. My favorite part of this setup and the coastal refresh is the Luminara candles. The glow is so beautiful and they look so real and natural like a real candle. And especially with the beautiful embedded shells, like we talked about in tip 2, it's bringing that natural look in. So it covers 2 of the tips, the natural look with the seashells and then bringing the light in, which I love. It covers 2 points on the tip. They're so beautiful and then they look so natural. The color palette is perfect as well. It has that soft teal and it also has that chambray. So it really brings that natural, beautiful, beachy coastal look into your home, which is so nice. Luminara Flameless candles are also perfect and safe to be around pets, kids, and even the elderly. You don't have to worry about any flames or harmful chemicals. They are just perfect. You can have them lit and there's no problem. That's our quick coastal refresh. I hope we've inspired you to refresh your home with a beautiful coastal look. Make sure you add in those textures, those beautiful teal and chambray colors, and seashells and any natural elements into your home to refresh for the coastal look. If you would like to shop the looks we've shared today, we'll definitely share those links below, so check that out. Also, next week on Living with Luminara, we're going to be sharing shelf styling, which will be so much fun. I'm going to share with you my 3 quick styling tips for styling your shelf and how to refresh, update, and really make those shelves pop in your home, which will be a lot of fun. So please definitely check back and see that episode. I've really enjoyed sharing these fun coastal styling tips with you today. I hope you've enjoyed it as well. So check back for new episodes on Living with Luminara. And I'm your host, Ashley. Thanks for sharing.